They don't want to see the fireworks. Guess where we're headed off to?
The Firework Town.
Firework Town. We're here in downtown Aurora, going to see the fireworks, and everyone's here.
And our uncle is here.
Just waiting to see it.
Uncle Josh is here.
Yeah, where is he?
He's not here.
He's right here. Long walk. Oh no! Everyone's kind of hanging out here by the railroad tracks.
Or maybe people are going to see the fireworks here.
Think people are going to see the fireworks here? Oh, going over the railroad tracks.
I see TV out here? No.
No, there's no TVs out here. You silly.
Not on YouTube?
You're not on YouTube.
No YouTube.
You silly Billy.
And maybe some of your YouTube here.
Maybe.
Maybe someone put in fireworks.
It's almost time. That's the road closing right there. See that? They closed the bridge off.
Huh?
You have to get to McLaughlin Park, man. And look, there's the Fox River. Ooh, it's very quiet today.
I see a log.
You see a log?
I put my hand.
No, don't do that. It might fall off into the river.
Oh, look at that parallel. They're gonna they're just relaxing a little bit.
I see that.
What? Look at it. They closed it.
I know they closed it.
They won't let anyone in. Why?
Okay, so this is literally the closest you can get to the balloon.
Look at that. Josh, look at that cave.
I know. You like the cave?
Yeah, can I go in?
No. Can't go in the cave.
I can still break
This
it.
is Veterans Memorial Park. It's a tiny park, but it's the closest park. I mean, the fireworks are going to be right there, and they're going to be massive. So we're going to pick a good spot, and yeah, it's going to be awesome. Are you ready?
We got no snacks.
We got no snacks. I got some snacks, but they're like super spicy.
Oh.
Sorry.
Bye.
You didn't have to give both the glow sticks to that kid.
But hey, I don't give them. But the cup goes.
The glow sticks?
Hey, you can't just rest and keep it. That's stealing.
Oh, it is?
That's stealing, like the bad guys.
Oh, okay.
So then the officers, they will vote the.
Well, I got these Pringles, but they're scorching. I don't know if you want them.
You got most?
See?
You
Take
got
them.
most?
No, just that. Just chips.
Sure got a snack for me.
Here, taste it. See if you like it.
I like them.
Okay, good. All right, so me and Theo are on this island. Where'd you find those?
Found these.
That's so cool. Okay, those are like swords.
Yeah, they're lightsabers.
Oh my gosh. Well, good job, buddy.
I found them like right next to the grass.
Right.
I found one of those light bugs.
Yeah. Lightning bugs? Yeah.
Like I found one, but I dropped it, and I saw other guy got.
Oh, you saw another one. We're waiting for the fireworks to begin. It's going to be right there where that balloon is, so we're super close. We're probably not going to sit on this bench, but we're going to like head maybe off to the grass somewhere and just watch them. And Theo's collecting fireflies.
That one.
Where? Oh my goodness, look at that. Watch, it's going to light up. Unless it's scared. No. Oh, it's too scared. Okay, put it back gently. There we go. You got to be gentle with those.
I want one. I keep finding him. I'm trying to get him by people.
He's having fun. Look at this monument. Looks like Theo made a couple friends. He's the one in the yellow shirt. We are literally on an island. Oh, fireworks going off over there. Dude, it's getting a little blurry. Oh, start? Jeez. But that's the edge of the island.
Distracting me.
Yeah, I know. The light bugs are distracting you. Oh my gosh! Ah! There they are.
Oh, what is that? Go away.
Wow.
So many. What? Whoa. I'm trying to see that here.
Such big fireworks. Whoa. Which one's your favorite?
All of them.
All of them?
Love it. Again.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at all that. Oh my gosh, look! That's so good! Ah! Whoa, one goes one sideways. Whoa! Look. Come inside. Look. Woo! Clap. That was so good. Good job.
Look at some people.
All right, getting out of here is going to be impossible because all these
Yeah, because
cars.
I have a lightsaber.
Oh, the lightsaber again. No!